Okay, now the fuel system is now mocked up with the cheap black plastic tubing, and I had to build 2 more brackets in order to make everything fit right.
Again, see, I've got the longer, I had to cut this tube longer, so I got to cut a new tube. Got it all blocked in here. You can see now with my new bracket in place, it goes through the bolt here. It's got 2 loop clamps on it. You can see it holds 1/2-inch tubing real nicely. Comes up through here. One tube will go in front of the other. This one will go into the fuel pressure regulator, which we mounted right here onto this stud. So I'm going to go ahead and make this bracket, mount the regulator and get it in the right direction, and then cut this tube to fit up to it. And I pretty much plumbed up the whole fuel system with this black tubing. See, I got a little bracket there that holds it. It exits the rear firewall very well. Comes through, it's on this bracket here. I've got a good amount of play in it here so that the engine can move. I've got this bracket created here, all tied in. Nice. Tubes coming through. Fuel pressure regulator mounted to this bracket. Now I've unhooked it so I can show you the bracket. There's the bracket. Bolts right on. This has got 2 screws in the bottom that hold it. This is the fuel supply line, and it has I'll have 2 of these little brackets on here going through the screws that hold the regulator down. So that'll hold that nice and tight across the bottom over there. Go up here, I've tied a couple of these brackets together to hold it in position here, and then here, and then this one goes across to the other side. So you can see it goes directly into the fuel rail, goes across, comes directly out of the fuel rail into the fuel pressure regulator and back to the tank. So I'll be taking this tubing off right now, and I will be converting this over to this. These plastic fuel lines out, left all the brackets in place, marked everything where it goes. There's 3 tubes here, so I'm getting ready to take these apart and cut the braided line.